English tutorial, this versus that. Learn the difference in just 5 minutes. Do you say this is my phone or that is my phone? Let's make this versus that super easy. This for something near you. We use this when something is close to us. Examples. This is my book. This is my phone. This is my chair. This is a beautiful flower. This is my friend. This is my house. This is the pen I bought yesterday. This tastes delicious. This is my favorite shirt. This is the place I told you about. That for something far from you. We use that when something is away from us. Examples. That is my car. That is your house. That is a tall building. That is my teacher. That is a beautiful painting. That is the shop I told you about. That looks expensive. That is not my bag. That man is my neighbor. That is the restaurant we visited yesterday. Remember. This equals near, that equals far. Daily conversation. A. What is this? B. This is my new phone. A. What is that? B. That is my old phone. A. Is this your bag? B. Yes, this is my bag. A. Is that your car? B. No, that is my brother's car. Remember, this is near, that is far. Save this lesson and follow for more easy English tutorials.